Hello, my dear friends. It's me, your friend Sapna Singh, and you are, of course, on my channel Sapna Raghuvanshi. And today I'm presenting here with another beautiful and motivational story. And this is a story of on value of time. So guys, before starting the story, I want to request you to please like and subscribe my channel if you are new on my channel. Okay, so let's start the story. Actually, friends, this is a story of a lazy boy who used to live in a town, and he was into a bad habit, bad habit of procrastinating, and he always delayed his work, never did any work on time, and because of this habit he was lagging behind in his study and other field of life as well, compared to his friend and a class fellow, and his family and his teachers, of course his best friend, always suggested him, always advised him to not waste his time like this and to use his time productively. But the lazy boy never listened to anyone, and he didn't listen anyone and just did whatever he wanted. Okay, so one day in that town there a monk visited, and all the people of that town were so excited to meet the monk and to ask about their problem. So after hearing this news that there's a monk arrived in our place, the lazy boy was also very excited, and he also decided to meet that monk, and because he wanted to get some tips and some ideas that how to surpass his friends and class fellows in study and in every field. So by thinking this, the boy also reached at that place where the monk was sitting and waiting. So first of all, after reaching there, the boy bowed to monk and said, just, oh monk, just please help me, I am very lazy and a failure in my life. So please can you give me any tips and idea how to overcome all this, because I am lagging behind in my study. My study just compared to my friend. So the monk at first looked at the boy with compassion, and then he said to boy that look my son, you are this time in this position because of your laziness, and because you never valued your time and you always wasted your time only on trivial thing. That's why this time you are in this position. So let me tell you a story on this, and this story will help you to get to know that how to value our time and what is the bad result we will have to face if we not value our time. Okay, so the monk started saying the story, telling the story that once there was a, and the of course the lazy boy started listening carefully. So the monk started like, there's a king in a country, and he was very generous and kind to his people. He always wanted to help all his people in his country, and of course he was very kind hearted man. So he always did this, means always helped other in anyhow. So once he saw his friend, means his classmate, and with whom he studied in Gurukul. So after seeing that man, the king recognized that man and asked him that that what happened with you, what is going on in your life. So that man was completely lazy, and he didn't have any money, and even a respect. And of course, the when the king asked means that boy, that man, that how this thing means is this thing happened to you. So that time the man said that he always used to blame his fate and other people for his fault. And he said that I don't know why people are not respecting me, and people always used to say that I am good for nothing, and I am a lazy person, and I can't achieve anything in my life. So after hearing all these things, means all this word of that person, the king decided to do something. So the king said to that man, okay, let's play a game type. I just give you a chance to come to my treasure palace and collect all means gold and gems of gold, as much as you can. So after hearing this, the man was very excited, and of course he was overjoyed, and he was agreed, of course. So he at first went to his home, and after going home, he said all these things, all this happening to his wife. And of course his wife, after hearing this, his wife also became very happy, and said to his husband that okay, this is a good chance for us. So if you have, the king has provided you this chance to come to his treasure palace and collect as much treasure as you can. So please don't waste time, just go fast and collect lots of treasure. But as we know that that man was very lazy. So after hearing this, the man said, okay, I will definitely go and collect all the treasure, but at first let me eat something, because this time I am completely starving. So he said, let me eat something. After eating something, I will go and collect all the treasure. So the wife at once just prepared some food and gave to her husband, and he finished his breakfast. After finishing breakfast, he started thinking like, oh, we have lots of time now, so let's take a nap. Means I will go after taking a nap, because I have enough time. So he said to his wife, okay, I will go, but let me take some rest now, because I am feeling very tired this time. So after taking nap, I will definitely go. Okay, so that time he thought that he would take nap only for a few minutes. Okay, and when he went to his bed, lay down to his bed, and he started sleeping for 4 hours. Okay, so after getting up, he saw that it was late in afternoon, and he was shocked, completely shocked. Oh my god, I have to I have to go in rush, because it's almost evening is approaching. So he, after thinking this, he took 2 bags and started his journey, like started going. And when he reached in the way, when he reached in a forest, that this time he also felt that okay, look, there's a beautiful view, like under the tree there's a breeze, cool breezing is going on, so I should take some rest under the tree. So after thinking this, he sat down under the tree, and he thought that only for a few minutes I would stay here. But when he sat under the tree, he again took a nap, and this time he slept for 2 hours. So when he again woke up, he saw that it's almost evening is approaching, and he was very worried that time, and he put his bag at once and started running towards the treasure palace. And okay, finally he find himself that he reached to the palace of treasure palace, but it was too late because the gate of the palace had shut. So that time he realized his mistake, that because he had a chance to collect lots of money, to get lots of money, treasure, but due to his laziness, due to his bad habit of procrastination, he missed that golden chance. So after hearing this story, the boy realized his mistake, and he just feeling like numb. He was completely shocked after hearing this story, and then he realized his mistake, and he thanked to Monk, for guiding me in this way. Now I have come to know that what is the value of time, and from now on in future I will always give importance to my time, and I will always use my time productively and effectively. I will never be procrastinate anymore in future. So after saying all this thing, the little boy left from there, and after that moment he started working hard on his goal, and of course means very soon he achieved all things that he want. Means now this time he started getting respect by teachers, parents, friends, and definitely in future he will also achieve his goal that he want. So my dear friends, what you learned from the story? Of course, this story give a beautiful lesson on value of time. That there's also a old saying that if we value our time, time will value us. Okay, and if we waste our time, then obviously time will waste our whole life. So by this beautiful story, I want to make you learn that if you want to do something, if you want to start something in your life, please just start it right now. Don't wait for tomorrow, because tomorrow will never come. You also know this. And if tomorrow will come, definitely it will come in the form of today, not in the form of tomorrow. So this is the fact, guys. If we really want to start something, really want to do something, just we should do it right now, because time is the most precious thing in our life that God has given us, and it's our responsibility to utilize our time productively. We should never waste our time, because of course time is such a precious thing that in this world a rich person can buy anything with his money, but he can't ever buy time, because time is the only thing that even can't buy with money. So my dear friends, I hope that definitely you will learn a lot with this story, and from now on, if you are also a person of procrastinating type person, so please don't try to be procrastinate anymore. From now on, just start your work, start your task from now on. Don't wait for tomorrow, don't delay it on tomorrow. So bye. This was my beautiful story for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this story, and so now bye bye, take care, guys. And in my next video I'm making sure that of course I will meet you with another beautiful story. So till then, bye bye, and please like and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe.